How to save Instagram Reels video in gallery. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can save Instagram Reels video in gallery. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch your Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you're on your home page, you have to head towards the Reel section. Now once you're on the Reel section, select the reel that you want to share in your or that you want to save in your gallery. So once you have found the reel, what you have to do is tap on the share icon in this reel, and here you have an option as add to story. Tap on it. So once you're here, tap on the story right here. Now you have this reel. Now to save it in your gallery, tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner, and from here tap on save button and wait until the video gets saved in your gallery. Once the video is saved, open up gallery in your device and you will find the reel in your gallery. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.